Hey y'all, we're back for part 2 of the bubble cauldron. I went back to Hobby Lobby and got some large, medium, and small ornaments. I went ahead and took all the tops off. I kind of wanted to get one glued on here to see how it would drape and if it would hold on, and it's doing pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead, I have it facing me, the front of it. That's going to be the front of the cauldron, facing me. So now I'm going to go ahead and add a few more right here, maybe a medium one right there, and then just a couple of more to drape down, and then I'll put some small ones in there. So I'm just gonna hot glue these in place. Let's get some glue up here. And then right here. Hopefully this stays. We'll see. We'll hold this on for a second. You can see this has support, so it sits on top of the other ones and they glue down completely. This one has no support, so we're just gonna have to hold it here for a second. I have a friend here today. This is Mr. Bones. He's helping out. Right, Mr. Bones? Right, buddy? So, yeah, this is gonna take a while for this to set, so we're just gonna hold it right here and just watch it. And then I'm gonna put a little baby one right in the middle so you can't see that part. Put some baby ones right here, maybe another medium right here on this side, and some babies. And that'd be really cute. All right, let me get a few of these glued on and I'll be right back. Okay, that's done. I have them draped down the side. I think this is enough weight for it. I don't think it's gonna be able to hold anymore, so I'm gonna start filling in with the smaller ones now, just all the way around. I think I'm gonna leave this side empty and just keep this side like bubbling over. I think that's gonna be super cute. So now I'm gonna go in here and start, and once I'm done putting my bulbs on, I'm gonna go ahead and twine in the rest of the lights. I kept some out just to put on the outside of it. So let's see, where do we want to put this guy? Maybe right here? That's a good spot. Put him right there, and that one's staying, so I can let that go. Maybe the next one right here. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute. Just like that, a couple of drops. Hold it in place for a second. This is going to be adorable. I'll give y'all a price at the end of how much it cost me to make this, since I had to go back and buy some more bulbs. I'm gonna put this one right here. Just the little things make me happy. Little things like this make me super duper happy. I'm gonna put one right here because I see a whole bunch of glue under there. It's not gonna be perfect. I mean, if you look up close, you're gonna see the glue, okay? But from far away, it looks pretty good. Okay, we're gonna put another one right here. The glass sticks better to the glass than the plastic sticks to the plastic. Does that make sense? So some are plastic, some are glass. That is looking really good. All right, one right here in the front. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna make some fire for the bottom. I just don't know how I'm gonna do that. And I want some fire coming out of the bottom, just like, adorable. This is gonna go, I think I'm gonna put this, I might move it around depending on how I feel. Put one right here. You know, you're just gonna fill up your empty spots with the babies, and that's it. And then it's gonna look looks like a ton of freaking bubbles. And make sure y'all get the iridescent bulbs, because I mean, you can use the clear ones if you can't find the iridescent ones, but man, they look like bubbles, actual bubbles. We went to a big Christmas shop out here called Craftex. It's out off of Bel Air, I think. Y'all, if y'all live in the Houston area, I definitely recommend going out there because they have all different sizes of these. I don't know how much they are though. They have glass ones. I think they have plastic ones. Okay, I think I need some right here. Now that I have the bubbles where I want them, I'm filling in just like empty spots with just a little bit of the batting. See how it looks right there? This is going to be adorable. Put some right here. It's hard doing this with one hand. Where else? Maybe right here. So I'm going to continue doing that all the way around until I got all of the bigger holes filled in where the bulbs didn't fit. And then I'll string the lights on and see what it looks like. So there's going to be some tight spots right here where you're not going to be able to push it in with your fingers. So this came with the batting, so I'm just going to take that and just push this in a little bit, just like that. It's done. Look how cute. I have all the rest of the lights intertwined. I filled in the spots with the batting. I think that looks pretty freaking amazing. Get it back up here a little bit. All right, let's turn the lights off and see what this looks like. Hold on one second. Okay, now let's turn the lights on. Oh my goodness, are y'all ready? Let's put it on 2. That's how it's gonna look. What do y'all think? Pretty awesome, huh? I love it. And once the fire's at the bottom and then all the other decorations around it, I think it's gonna look pretty awesome. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see y'all next time.